Hello my beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning into the first video of 2023 on my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you guys are gonna have an amazing year ahead, full of growth, possibility, peace, abundance. I really wish the best for all of you. In today's video, we're gonna do a very simple skincare routine with some of my favorite products of 2022 that I really want you guys to try out this year in 2023. My face is so puffy, you guys. I literally woke up 30 minutes ago, freshened up, had a quick smoothie because I really wanted to record this video and set the tone for the rest of the videos on my channel this month. Now, right after this video, you'll have the best of series, right from the best of skincare, hair care, body care. I've already done the best of under eye creams, best moisturizers, best hair care that I've been trying out in 2022 in the past few weeks. Do check out those videos if you haven't already. Also, be sure to watch this entire video because somewhere in there, there's a hidden giveaway. I haven't done one on YouTube in almost ever. I've never done one. I've always done Instagram giveaways, but this time we're gonna change the tone a bit and we're gonna have a lot of giveaways this year on my YouTube channel. I want to extend my thanks to all of you. Now, before I get into this routine, let me quickly introduce myself in case you're new here. Hi, my name's Preiti. I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free, which means products that are not tested on animals. If this is the kind of content you resonate with, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue watching today's video. Alright, so I've already washed my face off camera because if you know me and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I hate washing my face on camera. You guys, it's just not for me. It's a very messy process. There's water everywhere. Your clothes get wet. It's just not for me. So this is the face wash that I've used today, the Salicylic acid face wash. It's got 2% salicylic acid, AHA, tea tree and green tea. This is great for oily combination acne prone skin. This does not over dry the skin, and right now it's dry weather in Bombay City. It's not really winter, it's really hot, but it's dry and this does not over dry my combination skin. Absolutely love this. I've seen amazing results on my skin with regular use of this. Now, I don't use this every single day. I'll use this once or twice a week and that's about it. This doesn't have any strong fragrances, a very nice gel texture, very easy to lather up, very easy to wash, perfect for AM as well as PM routine. If you have cystic acne, a lot of whiteheads, a lot of blackheads, then this is a face wash you must definitely try out. It is honestly such a gem, like one of my favorite products from 2022. And before anybody points out, yes, I've drawn in my eyebrows, I've added some eyeliner and a little bit of lip tint because why not? I look like I cried a river if I don't add any eyeliner, so I added a little bit and it looks pretty okay. Now for the toner, we're going to use a very nice rich ceramide based toner, and this one right here fits the bill perfectly. This is the Wonder Ceramide Mochi toner from Moly. This was recommended by so many of you on my YouTube comments. A lot of you guys wanted me to try it out and I got my hands on it. This is so good. This is a newfound love of mine. I started using it from November onwards. December I was traveling, so I barely managed to crack it, right? I've just used this much only, but this is so good. Perfect if you have very dry skin, perfect for dry weather. On my combination skin, this is amazing. It doesn't feel very heavy. It doesn't make my skin feel greasy. It doesn't break me out. It's actually super hydrating and it moisturizes the skin so well. Honestly though, I wasn't expecting this quantity. It was being sold out so fast. I just wanted to get my hands on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab this in. This does have a slight fragrance, just a heads up. If you're allergic to fragrances, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to skip it altogether. I feel like I need some more. My skin is super dry, dude. During this time of the year, it gets super dry. It's just winter skin. You know, when you have combination skin, it's just a roller coaster. Like my nose right now has so much flaky skin. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. I also really hurt myself right here. Story for another day, but yeah, I really need all the hydration. My skin feels so good after this toner. You guys, my skin was so dry. As I was filming the intro, I was just waiting to start the skincare routine because my skin was just so parched. But this is fantastic. I love this toner. Strongly recommend it to literally everybody. If you have very oily skin, this might feel a bit heavy in your entire skincare routine, not just by itself. But on my skin, I really like it. So thank you to everybody who recommended this to me in my YouTube comments. You guys are amazing. I love this toner. I'm going to go in with the Hyaluronic Acid Serum from The Ordinary. This has been around for a while. I never tried it out. So this was my first time trying it out in 2022. And I absolutely love it. I'm just going to use 2 drops. That's more than enough for the entire face. and the neck. I don't want to go overboard because this one tends to get really sticky after some time. Every time I've used more than 2 drops, I just feel like my skin feels greasy and the other skincare just doesn't sit too well. So if you have dry skin, you might really enjoy it, but if you have oily skin, this can feel a little tacky. Just a heads up. The Ordinary is a vegan brand. This is a vegan formulation. This also has vitamin B5. It is fragrance free, so it's perfect for sensitive skin, or if you simply don't want to use fragrance on your skin. Fantastic stuff. Can be a little tacky for oily skin, but for combination skin, 2 drops and you're pretty much good to go. The skin looks good, so we're going to go in with another serum, and this one's the Niacinamide serum from the Derma company. I'm gonna add I'm almost done with this serum, you guys. Look at that. I need to repurchase this serum because it is honestly so good. Literally one of my favorite purchases of 2022. It is so lightweight, making it perfect for the sticky, humid weather of Bombay. Even when I was in Bali, I was using this because it is so lightweight. And if you've been to Bali in tropical weather, you know how sticky it gets. It's worse than Bombay. And this worked really, really good on my skin. I absolutely love how beautifully this sinks into the skin. It absorbs so beautifully. It's way lighter than the Plum Niacinamide serum, so it's great for AM routines. I love both of them. Like, honestly, they are such amazing products, but the Plum Niacinamide is slightly thicker, so if you have oily skin, it could feel a bit much. In that case, you can use it in your PM routine because it's so brightening and it's honestly so good. Now, this formulation is quite old school. It's very simple, nothing over the top. It's got zinc, it's got niacinamide, the usual combination, not like Conscious Chemist or the Nykaa Skin RX niacinamide or even the Plum one. So this is pretty old school, but it gets the job done. I see myself repurchasing it because I kept thinking it's an old school formulation. Is it going to be as good as, say, the Plum niacinamide or even the Nykaa Skin RX, the Conscious Chemist one? But this is pretty good. The main reason why I wanted to try this out was because one of my very close friends who's not a blogger absolutely loves this, and I wanted to see what the fuss was all about, honestly, and I am blown away. This is such a good formulation. Old school, but very effective. In 2022, I tried out a lot of new brands, and the Derma company was one of them. Of course, this brand has been around for a while, but I only started using it in 2022. I've never had the chance to collaborate with them, but I definitely want to because I love their formulations. All of the products that I've tried from the Derma company have worked so well, including their sunscreens, their body wash, their serums, even their salicylic acid serum is so good. All right, time to go in with one of my favorite moisturizers. This one is from Kaale. This is like a lotion. Wait, this is what it looks like. The Eladi Hydrating Light Cream. Absolutely love it. This is like a lotion. See how it just trickles down? Very, very lightweight. You would think that it's super heavy and greasy, but nope. This is super lightweight. It smells really nice. It's got the fragrance of all natural ingredients, nothing over the top. The fragrance fades away in about a few seconds. Honestly, it smells very raw. It smells like raw ingredients. Smells like besan, like chickpea, with a bit of floral alchemy. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells really nice, and it's also very lightweight. On my combination skin, this is honestly such a boon because it gives me all of that hydration without feeling over the top. The best part about this lotion is that it dries down semi-matte, like a very nice satin finish. It doesn't feel greasy, and it's so lightweight. It's a very no-fuss moisturizing lotion. Nothing over the top. It's not going to give you glowy skin and all of that. It's just simply hydrating, moisturizing. It makes sure that your barrier is protected, and it's very easy to layer in every single skincare routine. It doesn't have a lot of actives, but again, it is an Ayurvedic formulation, so you don't want to layer some vitamin C and everything with that. It could probably clash, you never know, because a lot of Ayurvedic ingredients are very exfoliating, very brightening, and you don't want to make other ingredients clash with that. It could trouble your skin, especially if you have active acne or sensitive skin. I had the chance to collaborate with this brand and this product, I'm guessing about 2 or 3 months ago, and I've been hooked, you guys. What a beautiful product. All right, so here are all the products that one single winner is going to win. All you need to do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and let me know what are the products that you want me to try out this year. The winner's comment will be pinned, and the winner will be announced in the next YouTube video. Now for sunscreen, I'm going to use this one right here from Dot & Key. This took me by surprise. I did not see this coming from the brand. This was launched around December, about the 8th or 10th of December. I'm not too sure. And honestly, it blew people's socks off because we did not see this coming year end from the brand. I absolutely hate it. They are green sunscreen. It didn't work for me, but for a lot of people it did. But this one honestly is so, so good. It doesn't have any fragrance. It's an SPF 50 PA+++. It's got a nice lotion-like consistency, so it blends like a dream, and it doesn't peel. It leaves a minimal to no white cast, you guys. Just look at that. This has a beautiful texture, you guys. It literally feels like a lotion on my skin. So easy to apply. Okay, why am I applying this in such a weird manner? And there you go. Look at how beautiful this looks on the skin. It gives you a beautiful dewy finish, but also semi-matte. It doesn't feel over the top. It's not extremely mattifying, yet not very, very dewy. So it's perfect for combination skin. This hasn't broken me out. I also used this in Goa in December, and it is perfect. Like, I was testing it out in Goa and I fell in love with this. This is easily one of my favorite sunscreen launches of 2022. Absolutely love it, and I strongly recommend it. It feels so natural on the skin. You can easily go in on top with makeup as well. Very, very lightweight. As the last step, I have two lip balms right here. Both of these have SPF. This is SPF 30 and this one is SPF 20 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, SPF 20, SPF 30. So this one gives you a nice lip gloss kind of a finish, and this is just a basic lip balm. You also have a watermelon variant in this. This is the coconut one, coconut water and hyaluronic acid. So we're gonna go in, and this smells so good. So this is what the lip balm looks like. Nothing over the top, just like any other lip balm, but it's got SPF 20, decent enough if you're stepping out in the sun, if you're sitting in front of a big window. I prefer using SPF 30, but honestly, I haven't found a good lip balm that has this kind of a texture in SPF 30. This is the best that you can find in the Indian market. We've got Ceramide as well, but that's not a cruelty-free brand. It's in the gray area. So if you want something like this, which gives you a lip gloss finish, then this is an SPF 30. Now this is tinted and it's one of my favorite ones. This is Strawberry Crush and it's a beautiful tomatoey red kind of a color. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It's so beautiful. Just look at that. This is the Strawberry Crush variant. Absolutely love it. SPF 30 gives you a nice lip gloss finish, so you don't have to apply some lip gloss. You don't even have to apply lipstick because it gives you this natural tint. Perfect for brunch, perfect if you're stepping out in the sun. Not ideal if it's very, very sunny and you sweat a lot. Not ideal for a beach holiday, but great if you're just stepping out for drinks, for brunch, for grocery shopping. Also for a lip gloss that has SPF, this doesn't taste really bad. Like if you lick it every once in a while, it's not gonna taste really bad. It also smells really nice. It's a very good product. Dot & Key really came through in 2022. Like, I'm so proud of this brand. I'm also affiliated with the brand. I'm going to leave discount codes on the screen as well as in the descriptions below. And that is all, a very simple skincare routine, the first of this year, and many, many more to follow. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. These were new products that I tried, tested in 2022, and I absolutely loved them. If you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments what was your experience like. Did you love them? Did you hate them? Also, if you have any new products that you want me to try out this year, leave them in the comments and I'll surely check them out. If you enjoyed watching this simple skincare routine video, then please hit the thumbs up, hit that like button so that I know you enjoyed watching this video. Also, please participate in my first ever YouTube giveaway. I've never done this before and I really want to extend my thanks and really start this routine of doing more giveaways on my YouTube channel for all of you. Alright, you guys, I'm going to take your leave now, but before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my previous videos right here. I will catch you all in the next video. So then, take care of yourselves. Bye.